Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again, tap on Device Lock and select Face Unlock. Now you need to enter your current login method. Read the disclaimers, tap on Setup and set up again. Then remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can adjust those two options by tapping on the switches next to them. And when you finish, click on Next at the bottom right corner. Then Done at the bottom right corner. And finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, tap on Face Unlock again. Enter your screen lock and select Delete Face Model. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!